so unafraid of everything around me. Proudly I would say, I am a Muslim. If you ask her, why does she dress that way, all covered up in a world that gives it all away? Proudly she would say, I am a Muslim. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض بغير ديني، محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض بغير ديني، محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. If you ask me, surely this cannot be. You give your wealth so free, and you say your life is charity. It ain't hard to see, I am a Muslim. If you ask him, why does it hurt so when he sees injustice, even though it's folks he doesn't know? Tears in his eyes, he says, I am a Muslim. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض غير ديني، محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض غير ديني، محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. If you ask her, why doesn't she cry? There's no one by her side, she's the only one that's left behind. Patiently she sighs, I am a Muslim. If you ask him, why does he still pray 5 times a day when so many others have strayed? Smiling he would say, I am a Muslim.